Hey traders, how are we all doing tonight? Well, today it is tonight for me in Perth, or if you are in Australia, or that sort of time frame. But I've just pulled up MGTI. I traded this yesterday, pretty bad dip buy. Uh, it would have been down here actually. That's where I traded this little setup, and the high it went to $8. Wow. So I got it at 570 out of 580 with only 500 shares. So wow, wait. Bitcoin Cash source is Coinbase ads. So, what's Bitcoin doing? Let's see what's going on. I much prefer a dip buy though. You know, if it gets to $8 immediately, just looking at that chart, it's either a test a high day for a breakout, where it could go to 10, because it's that sort of market where it could probably do that, or a dip buy down at around 629. There's a couple of touches. I mean, I would count that as 1, 2, 3 touches there. So no, we don't want to do that. I was opening up profitably. What's important in that connection, guys? Last night I did have some internet issues as well, so we'll see. I'm running a few things. So I'm running MetaTrader for my forex stuff. I was running a YouTube video. Okay, so it's recovered now. Let's bring the chart up. Quick disclaimer: I don't have a position in Bitcoin anymore either. So yeah, had a few things to pay for and this and that. So that's life, though. That's life. And what was the low here? Wow. Okay, that's quite the. We've got a bounce here. That's bullish right there. That's sweet. What that is there, those two candles and those wicks, those lows are taking stop losses out. Because you have a lot of people who run with stop losses. I don't know why you do that on Bitcoin, because it's proven time and time again to be very volatile, which is a good and a bad thing. You know, it depends who you are and your risk level. But definitely bullish now. I mean, that's right there. That's pretty good. So I'd say right here it might get to 20,000 by Christmas as well. It's just one of those things that it's just crazy. All right, so let's see what else is moving. Top percentage gainers. NXTD, OTIV again with some movement. Look, I like MGTI. It was just so actively traded, and it ripped. Was it nearly 100%? Not quite 100%. I mean, if it opened at the low was at the 5, so not quite, like 60% or so. That's a lot for MGT, because for a long time, and if we bring this chart up, to bring the yearly chart up, hadn't really done a lot. Over the last few months, it actually, was losing money, and now it's just like wham. And look at that, first green day, second green day. Could see it again. We could see it go to 10. So there's definitely potential. I want to highlight that, and I will be looking at this, and I want to reach out to. Scotty Paper Trader as well, good name. And he mentioned the OTCs are trendy, and they are. And I look, just to rehash, I got out because of that tiny little candle there. So was it that candle? No, it wasn't. So that candle. It's not even showing it. It wasn't even red. I didn't even wait for it to close. It was like in the 580s. It was some resistance. And I was looking at the ask, and I was just focused on it. I'm like, I was too biased towards getting out of the stock, So I need to build my confidence a little bit, and I need to have some trust in the system. Dip buys are effective, and they're proven to be effective. And I probably would have held to here. I wouldn't have gone to there. I mean, really, right there would have been a decent exit, and you got in at 540. And you're risking 20 cents a share. You're getting at 540, going to $6. That's 60, 20-cent risk. And he mentioned that as well, and I appreciate that too. So shout out to you for your feedback. And guys, if you feel free, if you're a more experienced trader and you want to reach out and say this and that, and I do take that on board. I read everything, and I'm still very much learning. the goal would definitely be to be in the trading challenge as well. I'm saving for that. I'm saving to get the interactive account, interactive brokers account as well. There are other, platforms that you can trade on. I'm just not super confident with SureTrader Trade Zero. I would prefer not just to trade with a tiny amount of money as well. I'm not really keen on that. So that's just my personal preference on that. So that's why I'm waiting out on interactive brokers. I prefer them. There's another one, Speed Trader or something, that was like 30,000 minimum though. So that's out of the question. But 10K minimum's not. That's something I could probably do. I'm gonna wait until I'm getting the MBN in April. So what I'm gonna do is continue paper trading. I understand that's a long time, but for me, I don't learn concepts very quickly. So that's why I'm doing that. So the main watch is definitely MGTI. I want to bring up NXTD as well. I'm going to try and keep this video short, but there's a little bit going on. There was stuff worth talking about just then. So okay, NXTD. What's the news? NXTD subsidiary FitPay and Cascade FinTech to create platform. Come on, load, man. For connecting cryptocurrency. Oh, yes. Oh, they're pivoting with, yes, with crypto payment. Oh, look at that, connecting cryptocurrencies to the payment ecosystem. Oh man, yes. This one I'm gonna watch right here. This is hot to trot right now. NXTD, MGTI. Wrap it up with a bow tie. That's the video, guys. Subject to change. I also update with Instagram, Scotty's Trading, novice trader perspective. Still paper trading. Okay, I understand that, real money is real money, and I acknowledge that, but I need to learn the basics. So I don't really feel comfortable just putting real money into this one. Frankly, I don't know enough yet. So I'm paying, to use stocks to trade. That allows you to paper trade. And I feel, watching the charts, it really helped with Forex, and I'm trading with real money with that, and I make a few percent a month, which is not great, but it's not too bad, really. So, but yeah, definitely NXTD. Just looking at that chart there, we'll see. I mean, ideally probably a dip buy, but we'll see what happens market open, if it can, stabilize a little bit. We've still got a little bit of time to go. Well, 10:30 means 2 hours, so that's about it, guys. So thank you for watching. Happy trading. And thank you to the traders who have reached out to me as well. I appreciate it, guys. And bye for now.